Pause airdrop is finally here. Now, if you mine Pause, you are qualified for Pause airdrop. This video is about how to claim into your bitget exchange or your bybit exchange. For now, those are the two exchanges that are made available to claim your Pause into. So if you don't have an account on these exchanges, check the link in the description and register one for yourself. Even if you did not mine Pause, there is still a chance for you to qualify for the Pause airdrop. Now, if you are Solana OGs, watch this video to the end to see the criteria that will make you qualify for Pause airdrop. You will see if you qualify for Pause airdrop. Initially, Pause was on Telegram and it was built on Tone, but they changed to Solana. Right now, you can't really check with your Telegram account, but you can check with your Solana wallet. Now, if you are trying to check with Telegram, it might not work, so you have to check it directly from their website. The web link is in the description of this video. Another thing is, even if you're unable to use the link in the description, you could go to your Phantom wallet, check on the top website. Pause is actually #1 right now. So at the moment this video is being recorded, so you could check your location. You could connect your Solana wallet and check your location. And mind you can connect more than one wallet to check your allocation. Okay, so let's just check other criteria within the video. Without wasting time, go to paws.community. I'm going to post the link in the description. Now, when you get to the site, click on Solana OG, just as you are seeing me doing right there. Now you can see the Solana OGs at the upper tab, while on mobile on Phantom wallet lower tab. Then click on Phantom wallet. We are connecting Phantom wallet. If you're using Backpack wallet, you click on Backpack wallet to connect. So now once you connect and confirm, you're going to see your location just like I am seeing mine right there. Then I can claim. Now the moment I click on claim, I need to submit my wallet and my Bybit wallet, Bybit exchange or bitget exchange UID. So I'm going to Bybit right there, click on deposit, search Pause, and then click on Paul, choose Solana. Then I'm going to copy my address, okay, from there. So I'm also going to copy my UID, my Bybit UID from there. After doing all of that, then I'm going to go back to the Pause website and submit my details. Then I can claim my Pause directly into this particular exchange. So the same thing applies to bitget. You go to bitget, you click on assets. In this case, click on add funds. Now when you click on add funds, click on deposit crypto and search Pause. Now when you search Pause, click on Pause, choose Solana, copy the address and copy your Bybit, your bitget UID. Come back to this Pause website and add them accordingly. Okay, and then your Pause will be in your wallet. Even though you did not take Bybit in the mining case, you can still qualify as Solana OG. Solana OGs are those that have some NeFi, Solana DeFi activity, and you hold some major Solana memes such as dog with heart, bonk, penguins, stonks, gigachat, 𝗟𝗜𝗧𝗏. That's for the tokens. For the DeFi activity, we have Magic Eden, Phantom wallet, Jupiter exchange, Radium exchange, Solana phone, Jito, Mad Labs. So this set of people qualifies for 7.5% of the total supply of the token. So eligibility is based on your activities. So technically not everyone is going to be eligible, just few percent. So you can check your eligibility through your Phantom wallet or Backpack, just like I've shown you guys. I'm still going to show you right here. So which wallet can you connect? You can connect as many wallets that has the above criteria, that are participated in the above activities. Okay, then if you are eligible, then you can go through the process I've already made from the beginning to claim. Then if you are not able to claim, what will happen to your token? of course you know that it will be burnt, so the token will be burnt and you won't be able to access it again. Okay, so you have to claim within the claim period. So to how to get to the paws website on your Phantom wallet, click on the search button, that's the explore. You will see paws right there as the #1 site. So from there you can just follow the prompts, click on Solana ODs, connect your wallet and then claim. Make sure you like this video, subscribe and comment what you think. Comment how many paws you got. Okay, so I'm going to be distributing my paws if I'm allowed to claim, because I didn't do much. I think I have that type of paws. I'm going to send it to somebody I'm allowed to claim. So comment in the description so that I qualify, you stand a chance of qualifying for the person.